Today is the 6th annual Manufacturing Day for the St. Joe County region. We have almost 800 students visiting 36 businesses. We like to say they can't see it to see it to be it type of mentality. They go in and learn firsthand with their experiencing in their classrooms. They now get to go and see them in action. They get to hear from employees about their different career trajectories to where they are now and how they started. They learn about different education programs within the community that enables them to achieve these different positions at these different businesses.
Well, I'm just excited to see the South Bend schools taking the kids out and exposing them to manufacturing. I think it's very important. There's a lot of manufacturing needs in our area.
To me, I feel like it's a good job to go to every day. The benefits, it truly is a career, and it can be something you make a pretty good living doing, and get to see some pretty cool things along the way, what you're making, and everything starts with manufacturing, really.
When I was in high school, college wasn't an option for me, and my family couldn't afford to send me to college, and honestly I didn't really have any interest to go to college at that time. So I was able to come here and learn some, like training that was provided here, and then through some workshops and so forth, and it was a great opportunity. So there's a lot of entry-level jobs here, and we pride ourselves in promoting from within. We train a lot of people internally, and so not everyone's cut out to go to college.